Hi everyone, welcome back to Accountutor. I'm Bpin, and today I'm going to walk you through getting started with QuickBooks Online. Whether you're brand new to accounting or switching over from another system, this guide will help you set up and start using QuickBooks Online like a pro. So let's dive in. First off, what is QuickBooks Online? Simply put, it's a cloud-based accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It helps you manage your finances, track expenses, send invoices, and even run payroll all in one place. Plus, because it's cloud-based, you can access your data anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Choosing the right plan. Before you dive in, it's important to choose the right QuickBooks Online plan for your business. To do that, let's head over to the official QuickBooks website. Visit quickbooks.intuit.com, select the US site, and then navigate to the plans and pricing section. Here you'll find 4 different options to choose from. First option, Simple Start, ideal for sole proprietors or freelancers. This plan allows you to track income, expenses, and generate basic reports. It's perfect if you're just starting out and don't need too many advanced features. Second option, Essentials. This plan is great if you need to manage bills and have multiple users. Essentials adds bill management, making it easier to track what you owe, and allows more than one person to access your QuickBooks account. Third, Plus, the most popular choice for growing businesses. Plus includes everything in Essentials, plus inventory tracking and project profitability features, making it ideal for product-based businesses. And fourth is Advanced option designed for larger, more complex businesses. Advanced offers additional features like batch invoicing, custom user permissions, and a dedicated account manager, perfect for businesses with extensive needs. Once you have chosen your plan, you can start with a 30-day free trial to see which one fits your business best. And remember, you can always upgrade or downgrade your plan later as your business evolves. You'll also see 2 options: buy now for 50% off for 3 months or free trial for 30 days. If you go with the free trial, just keep in mind that after 30 days, you'll need to pay the full price to continue using the service. For now, let's start with the 30-day free trial and select the Plus plan. In the next step, Intuit will ask if you're interested in adding a payroll plan. For now, we'll skip this and continue without payroll. Setting up your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've chosen your plan, the next step is to set up your QuickBooks Online account. Start by heading over to the QuickBooks Online website and signing up for an account. You'll enter some basic information like your email and business details. After that, connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks. This is a crucial step because it allows QuickBooks to automatically download your transactions, saving you time on data entry. Just click on the banking tab on the left-hand side, then select Connect Account to link your bank. Now, move on to customizing your chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your accounting system. QuickBooks sets up a default chart based on your industry, but you can tweak it to better reflect your business needs. For instance, you can add new accounts for specific revenue streams or expenses unique to your operation. Finally, if you'll be invoicing clients, take a moment to customize your invoice template. Go to the Sales tab, click on Invoices, and then choose Create Invoices. Here you can add your logo, select your color scheme, and adjust the layout to match your brand. Navigating the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Now that your account is set up, let's explore the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can access all the key features and monitor your financial health. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the main navigation menu. This menu provides links to essential areas like banking, sales, expenses, reports, and more. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by the home and cash flow. This section offers a snapshot of your cash flow, profit and loss, bank account balances, and expenses. It's an excellent way to quickly gauge the health of your business. You can also personalize your dashboard to display the information that matters most to you. Just click Customize Layout. This allows you to add, remove, or rearrange the widgets on your dashboard to better suit your needs. Recording transactions. One of the most crucial tasks you'll perform in QuickBooks Online is recording transactions. This is essential for keeping your books accurate and up to date. Let's cover the basics. To create an invoice, click on the new button in the top left corner and select Invoice. From there, enter your customer's details along with the products or services they purchased and any applicable taxes. Once everything is filled out, you can send the invoice directly from QuickBooks via email or print it out to mail it. When recording expenses, click the new button and choose Expense. Fill in the details of your purchase, including who you paid, the amount, and what it was for. You can also attach a receipt if you have one, which will help you keep track of your spending and ensure all your expenses are properly recorded. If you receive a bill that you plan to pay later, you can record it as a bill in QuickBooks. Click New, then select Bill and input the necessary details. When it's time to pay, you can record the payment, and QuickBooks will automatically update your accounts. Reconciling your accounts is another important step, and it should be done at least once a month. This process ensures that your QuickBooks records match your actual bank statements, helping you catch any discrepancies. To reconcile your accounts, click on the Transaction tab, then select Reconcile. Follow the steps to match your QuickBooks transactions with your bank statement, ensuring everything lines up correctly. Generating reports. QuickBooks Online provides a variety of reports to help you gain insights into your business's financial performance. Here are some key reports you should be familiar with. The Profit and Loss Report details your revenue, expenses, and net profit over a specified period. It's an excellent tool for assessing how your business is performing, and it can help you identify areas where you might need to cut costs or boost sales. The balance sheet offers a snapshot of your business's financial position at a specific point in time. This report shows your assets, liabilities, and equity, giving you a clear picture of what your business owns and owes. The cash flow statement tracks the flow of cash in and out of your business over a certain period. This report is essential for managing your cash flow and ensuring that you have enough funds to cover your expenses. The Accounts Receivable Aging Report lets you see which customers owe you money and how long their invoices have been outstanding. This report is a valuable tool for managing your cash flow and ensuring that you receive payments on time. To access these reports, just click on the Reports tab in the left-hand menu. That's how to get started with QuickBooks Online.
We've covered everything from setting up your account to navigating the dashboard, recording transactions, and generating reports.
If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more QuickBooks and accounting tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. Accountutor is the ultimate destination for accountants and bookkeepers seeking to master accounting. Our courses are designed to be practical and easy to understand, ensuring you gain the skills you need in an effective way. For more details, visit Accountutor.com.